Let us talk about how to handle our worries or anxieties. Let us first understand what is worry or anxiety so that we know how to handle it. Worries and anxieties are like sisters or brothers. They are almost the same, but in some way they differ. This is not a one-day thing. It has been acquired, possessed, and appreciated and allowed by you to sit in your system. That is why worries or anxieties grows inside you. First, you need to have that willpower to recognize your worries or anxiety. That is the first step. And that is the last step also. Because mere recognition can bring awareness on this subject. At the same time, it creates a distance between you and the worries. Suddenly there is a buffer between you and worry or you and anxiety. At that point, you need to recognize the fact that you are not your worries. The worries can take effect only if you marry to that. Anxiety can take effect only you marry to that. When I say marry to that, I mean you accept it. You silently permit that to exist in your inner space. But the moment you bring awareness and recognition that there is a worries, now you can see that I am recognizing my worry. That means I am not my worries. That separation give you a joy, not only a joy, has a powerful willpower to write off your worries and anxieties. The distance, the moment you create the distance between you and worries, the buffer space will heal the root pattern. But you need to take that initial step. You need to take that stern step that I am going to get rid of my worries. I am going to get rid of my anxiety. That's it. If you can bring awareness into this matter, that awareness has the power to separate you from that worries, you from that anxieties, and create a space between you and worry or anxieties. That space is a healer. So when you attempt to do for an incident, eventually that will eradicate the root pattern of your worries or anxieties. It is not that easy, I know that. That is why there are million techniques or ways to get rid of it. The root pattern, to get rid of the root pattern, it's a little bit difficult. At least you can start exploring something which is in control with you. You have recognition, you have awareness, you have willpower, and you have a complete willpower to write off your own worries. So please try it out, and we will discuss more what are all the other techniques are there to get rid of worries and anxieties in our weekly sessions. Have a wonderful day.